Hey, Andrea.
Hi, Luis.
I'm glad you finally heard me. I've been calling you, like, telepathically, come to my house, so we can collage together. And you heard me. Thank you.
I did.
Tell us who you are.
My name is Andrea Burgay.
So you have a really distinct style of working, Andrea. How did that come about?
Well, my style of working is this process of construction, building up something collage-like with lots of layers and then taking it apart again and rebuilding it kind of over and over again is kind of the signature to how my process works now.
Wow. Can I just point out the brilliance of that? That is the magazine.
Yes, it all comes together.
That's you.
Yes,
you know, it
my
takes people
projects.
millions of years sometimes to figure things out that you can do. Like, you can run with one idea.
Right. Yeah. Well, it's taken me a while to put all these things together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made that specifically difficult for you. So you know.
The process is meant to show these kind of decay and deterioration, right? Like the passage of time, the way things weather naturally. So it lends itself to becoming this kind of like decayed object that's a little evocative of things falling apart, being destroyed by water or natural forces, things like that. Yeah, and it's kind of exploring those ideas too of loss and aging and cycles of things being destroyed and building anew.
You have a magazine.
I do.
Of which I have a wonderful copy.
Cut Me Up is a magazine that asks people to cut up the beautiful artworks that are included in each issue and respond to them by transforming them to make new artworks for the next issue. Not just in relationship to the work, but in the relationship to the curatorial call on the back page, which is listed
This one?
inside the back page.
This one?
Right here.
Oh.
So each issue of Cut Me Up is a conversation amongst the artists and the curatorial call. This issue is about how images and text come together to create communication, narrative, miscommunication, confusion, all those things that language and images do together. Some beautiful works by artists from all over the world. And fuck Putin. Yeah.
It's also February, Andrea.
Right.
It's
today February 1st?
Today's February 1st.
Oh my God.
Isn't that wild?
Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
And everyone's freaking out, but it's a marathon. It's fun. It'll be easy. So in here, we have something really special for that. But let's have some coffee first. You got your coffee? What are you drinking over there? This is the first time we've done a multi-camera thing. So you're seeing angles of me that you might not have seen before. But know that the filters are on, so we don't look this good in real life. We had a conversation before.
Yeah, you're gonna have to choose the best, vantage for each moment as well.
That, among many things. And which filter? We can be frogs. Have you seen those? You can be little
That's
animals.
True. Can you apply that afterwards?
Yes. Okay, people, when I do these videos, I'm usually a little bit more solemn. But since you're here now, I'm just a big old clown. Look, there's a naked man over there. You see him?
Yeah. What's he doing?
Just enjoying the view. Yeah, you guys, sorry. We've been distracted by nudity, as tends to happen. All right, so each Collage Dream Kit is a treasure trove of just wildness, ephemera. This one in particular, the element is really special for February. And inside, there happens to be a random tarot card. So it'll be like a little reading for you. So we'll see what you get, we'll see what I get. In this kit also, you get a little hug sticker. Look at this. It's doing yoga.
Cute.
So look at this. Yes, you will. So this is what everybody has. I'm sending you 30 labels. So we can actually collage on these labels and then put them all over the city. Put them all over your neighborhood. I'm really thinking about inviting you to connect to your ideas of politics, your ideas of rage, all that stuff, funnel it in here and let it go. Put it in the bathroom at a restaurant, put it in a book at a library, give it away. So these are there for you. We also have the collector's image. And the good people at Staples give me two sets of my order, so I'm passing it on to you guys.
It's very nicely printed.
Isn't that fun? What's your favorite color? Stay tuned. All right, cheers. Bye. All right, turn off all 7 cameras.